Hey guys, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to mix up a tonic that you can apply to your lawn about twice a year, usually once in the spring and once in the fall. Some people do it 3 times a year, spring, summer, and fall. And this will help you dissolve your grass clippings and any other things that you've mulched up in your yard. Now, you could also do this and spray it on like the pile of grass clippings or like your compost pile and help that break down quicker as well. But the recommended thing to do would be after you mow a couple times a year, spray this on your lawn to help break down any of that material that was left over. And this applies whether or not you bag your grass clippings, because even if you bag them, there's still some leftover debris in your lawn, and this tonic will help break it down. So the formula is very, very simple. You need 1 cup of ammonia, 1 cup of dish soap, and then 12 ounces of regular cola. So get Coca-Cola or regular cola, not diet, nothing like that. 12 ounces of that, and then 12 ounces of beer. Now, as far as the beer, I just use regular beer rather than like light beer or something. So regular beer, 12 ounces. And of course, in your hose end sprayer. There will be links to all of this in the description below. Please use those if you need any of this stuff. As far as the setting, 4 ounces is what I like to do. And you can mix up multiple batches if you have a larger lawn. So let's get started. We need 1 cup of dish soap. So that would be 8 ounces. All right. Pour that in. Then we need 1 cup of ammonia. Be careful when handling the ammonia. You definitely do not want to be breathing in these fumes. 1 cup, 8 ounces right there. Pour that in. All right. Oof. Then we need 12 ounces of beer, or a can, a whole can. So 12 ounces, which I believe is the whole bottle too, 12 fluid ounces. So I didn't need to measure, but. And then 12 ounces of regular cola. So we got some nice Coca-Cola here. If you want to use generic, that would probably be fine as well. 12 ounces. We got a lot of suds in here now from all the stuff, but that's okay. We'll let that settle. 12 ounces was a little bit more than half, so we're going to pour it right in there. And that is it. Once this head dies down, the foam from the, we've got soap, we've got ammonia, we've got the beer, we have the Coke, all of this, these two things are both carbonated, and then of course the soap has suds, which is what we're experiencing right now. So it does take a little bit of time to let this settle and get it all into the hose end sprayer. But once it settles down, you can pour it in there, set your dial to a 4-ounce setting, and then spray it on your lawn generously. Do this a couple times a year, and you will have some improvement in breaking down any leftover material after you mow your lawn. So I hope you like this video. Do so by clicking on that like button. Again, if you need any of this, check out the links in the description below, and hit that bell icon and the subscribe button to stay tuned and be notified for future videos, because we have a lot of great lawn tonic videos that will help you out with your lawn. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell icon. Thank you.